The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared multiplied by h, where pi r squared represents the area of the cross-section of our cylinder. We can see the cross-section of a cylinder is always going to be a circle, and we know the area of a circle is pi r squared, and then h is the height. Here, to calculate the volume of this cylinder, I'm going to do pi multiplied, as my diameter goes from one edge of the circumference to the centre to the other side. Therefore, my radius will be half of it. So half of 12 is 6, so my radius is 6. It's going to be pi multiplied by 6 squared multiplied by my height. In this case, my height of my cylinder is 20. Hence, my volume is going to be pi. I know 6 squared means 6 multiplied by itself, and 6 times 6 is 36, and I'm still multiplying by 20. Multiply my numbers. I know 36 times 2 gives us 72, and I've still got a 0. So 720 multiplied by pi is 720 pi. As it's a volume, therefore it'll be in units cubed. As my length's in centimetres, therefore my volume will be in centimetres cubed. So my volume of my cylinder in this case is 720 pi centimetres cubed. To calculate the total surface area of a cylinder, I need to work out the area of each face and add them all together. On a cylinder, on the top face, I've got a circle, and though the area of a circle is pi r squared, I'm going to have a top circle on the base. I'm also going to have another circle, and again, area of a circle is pi r squared. Well, pi r squared plus another pi r squared will give us 2 pi r squared. I also need to work out the area of the wrap of my cylinder. I should know if I unwrap the label of a can, it makes a rectangle. To work out the area of a rectangle, it's the length multiplied by the width. Well, the width of my rectangle is going to be the height of my can. And the length of my rectangle, well, the wrap goes around the circumference of a circle. And we should know the circumference of a circle is given by pi d, or 2 pi r. And to calculate the area of a rectangle, it's going to be the length multiplied by the width. So in this case, pi d multiplied by h, which we're going to write as plus pi dh. Well, here I'm going to have 2 pi multiplied by my radius squared. Again, as my diameter is 12, and then my radius is half, so half of 12 is 6. So my radius is 6, so it's going to be 2 pi multiplied by 6 squared. And it's going to be plus pi dh, so pi multiplied by d. My diameter of my can is 12, multiplied by height of my can, or my height of my can in this case is 20. I know that 6 squared means 6 multiplied by itself, and 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 multiplied by 2 pi will give us 72 lots of pi. Plus, I know 12 times 20 is 240, and 240 times pi will give us 240 pi. Simplify my answer, as they both end in pi, hence they're like terms, so I can simply add the two numbers together. Here, 72 pi and 240 pi gives us 312 pi. As our lengths are in centimetres, therefore our area will always be in the units squared, hence our area is in centimetres squared.